How you doing? Professor here. Now, I'm not going to make any sudden movements because every time I do, the camera tries to follow me and sometimes is a little bit jittery. But anyway, welcome to the museum. Behind me is some of the projects that I've been working on. I'm actually just about getting bitten by this American alligator, which people sometimes get them mistakenly with a crocodile. A crocodile and an alligator are totally different by the snout. I used to think that the crocodile had a bigger snout and the alligator had a skinnier snout, but no, it's the opposite. This is actually an alligator. It's got a little bit of a stubbier snout. And then I've got the bear behind me here, which probably was one of my first biggest projects that I've ever done. And I think he was made with about, I can't remember exactly, but at least 20 some odd pieces. And then if we move over to this bar here, let's see if the camera follows me. Okay. And I made this iguana. Now, I don't know how popular iguanas are with people, but I know they're invasive in Florida. So I'm not really sure of the popularity of who likes them or not, but I think it's a pretty good paint job. Now, let's see if I can go farther over here without tripping. Yeah. I guess. Well, come on there, camera. Over here. Hello. Oh, well, he doesn't seem to be following. Let's try that again. Hello, camera. Anyway, this is kind of just a little bit of a fun thing that I wanted to try. And I think we're back into it again. Now, can we get him to follow us? Let's go a little slower here. Okay, this will give us a check out the corner. And I've got this bear that I've made. I'm actually going to put him up on a bit of a, more of a stand, so he's a little higher up. He's standing on the floor right now. But anyway, I've got these other models of the gorillas up. I've got the, well, there's a raccoon in the corner. There's the muskie. There's fish that have to be painted. The other bear here that has fish in its mouth. And of course, you've seen this one, I think. That one there has a set of antlers and it's a rabbit. So it's called the jackalope. Now, some people think they actually existed, but I don't think so, because that rabbit would never make it into a hole if he had those antlers on to run away from something. And then we have the subscribe button. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I know it's a little shaky, but I just thought we'd do a little bit of a fun video. This actually here is a bear skull. Now, it's not a real bear skull. It's a PLA. And then I painted them, and I did a little bit of a treatment on it that seemed like when they treat the real skulls, they kind of, sometimes they bleach them. And they get a little bit chalky. So that's why I give it a little bit of a chalky kind of idea. Now we'll move over here. Come on, camera. Come on over. That's it. Come on. Come on. This is a new thing I'm trying. All right. Let's carry on in this corner here. Now, I'm actually this turtle here, this alligator snapper. I better not put my finger in front of his mouth there. I've had to put a clear coat on him. This guy here is an Oscar. We got a piranha, but he needs a little bit more work. This bass you may have seen just a few videos back. Rainbow trout, maybe way, way back. This big pike, that goes back quite a ways. One of my first ones. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 sections. The bass, the perch. Now goes back quite a ways. The otter, which is the whole mount. I did a newer one just recently, a small one that I'm going to paint up and put it on the wall somewhere. Now, if we can get into this corner here, let's bring the camera over here. Come on over here, camera. That's it. There we go. Well, a little too much. Anyway, you're talking some bass in the corner. I'm going to flip this way. How's that work? That's good. That's good. And then you can see the actual Chinese pheasant and another pike. and the head of the muskie that I just did. So anyway, there's a bit of a tour of what we got done so far, and yeah, a little bit choppy with the new camera thing. And we'll take it over here, see how that works. Yeah, it's a little bit choppy. But anyway, just wondering what everybody thought of what's going on so far. We still have a lot of walls to fill and a lot of projects to paint. And I'm painting all the time, every day, small projects to get them ready. I'm working on big projects, so a lot of the bigger videos aren't done that quick because they do take time, and it does take time. So there could be a few projects that you want to see, but I think I've covered, if you look, I've actually covered quite a few projects pretty quickly. And I was just wondering, maybe I should mark them down with this big marker, all the stuff that I've been working on. This is actually, I don't know if you've seen a video of this, to see that the final is kind of getting a little bit, needs a bit of a sanding, not a sanding, but a popping a little bit. Anyway, there's a big Sharpie that I worked on. That's pretty cool, I love this one. There's the alligator trying to eat me again. So there you go. Kind of a live thing of going, a live recap of what's going on in the studio. Hope you enjoyed it. Kind of fun, kind of nutty professor kind of thing. But anyway, thanks for joining, and hopefully it gives you some ideas of your own, and hopefully it helps you or gets you to follow me and see what I'm up to next. So for now, go watch my videos. Check them out.